Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you, girls and boys? How are you? Okay, today we will talk about feelings. رح نتكلم عن الشعور أو المشاعر باللغة الإنجليزية, okay? First of all, we will take a quick revision, starting with the letters. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d. Let me sing the song now. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. Okay? So, A, B, C, and D. Okay? What are these? These are what colors? Yellow, blue, black, red, pink, green. So, blue, yellow, black, red, pink, green. Blue, yellow, black, red, pink, green. Blue, yellow, black, red, pink, and green. Okay? Ask and answer. If I ask you, girls, what is your name? You have to say, my name is Lulu Hamoud Al-Harthi. You can say also your names, like my name is Tala Al-Burdi. My name is Saad Al-Burdi. My name is Iyad Al-Burdi. My name is Wi'am Al-Burdi. Wi'am Naif Al-Harthi. My name is Rudin Basim Al-Azwari. My name is Salih Al-Sharif. Okay? Now, feelings. We have here in my lesson feelings, الشعور. Okay? Like what? How do you feel? If I want to ask about the feeling, you can say, how do you feel? كيف تشعر أو ما هو شعورك? Here we have a happy face, right? We have to say, I am happy. So, how do you feel? I am happy. أنا سعيد أو أنا سعيدة. I am happy. I am happy. What about number 2? What do you think? Is he happy? No, he is not happy. He is what? Sad. So, how do you feel? I am sad. I am sad. How do you feel? I am happy. This means that أنا سعيدة. Or I am sad. أنا حزينة. How do you feel? I am cold. I am cold. I am cold. بردانة أو أشعر بالبرد. Okay? I am cold. I am cold. I am what, girls and boys? I am cold. What about here, girls? How do you feel? I am hot. 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 Happy, sad, cold, hot. How do you feel here in this picture? I am hungry. I am hungry, جوعانة. I am hungry. I am what? I am hungry. I am hungry. Repeat after me. Repeat. كرروا ورايا. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. What about the last one? How do you feel? I am thirsty. عطشان. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. So, happy, sad, cold, hot, hungry, and thirsty. So, if I ask you, how do you feel? You can say, I am happy, أنا سعيدة. Or, I am sad, أنا حزينة. Or, I am cold, أنا بردانة أو أشعر بالبرد. I am hot, أشعر بالحر. I am hungry جوعانة. Or I am thirsty عطشانة. Okay? Okay, girls and boys, this is the end of my lesson today, girls and boys. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye. Goodbye.